Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and today we are going to look at 2201 Purchase Street, New Bedford, Unit 1N. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom apartment. This unit has both panel floor and vinyl floor. Here we have the main living room area or dining room area. Here we have a kind of a second living room area. This has baseboard heating as well. Closet there. Next we have the first bedroom, which also has the back door exit. This unit has had all the walls repainted along with the doors. Moving back here, we have a small kitchen with a gas stove, stainless steel sink. Plenty of cabinet space. Next we have the bathroom area with a full-size tub and shower. And this last room would be the second bedroom over here, which also has a closet. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, where you have benefits such as key copying services, a 24-hour hotline for maintenance requests and emergency services, and the ability to make payments online and have autopay set up. Again, this is 2201 Purchase Street, New Bedford, Unit 1N.